Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to show you my new tool. Before we start this video, I'd like to welcome you to my channel. In this channel, we make cakes, we do pastries, we make desserts and anything nice. Or sometimes we make vlog videos on how we get our materials or how we go about our daily life. If this sounds like what you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel, like, share to somebody who needs it. This is the PME portable airbrushing kit, USB rechargeable. Like, you don't need to carry the whole compressor of an airbrushing machine. Most of the airbrushing machine you know about are quite huge, big in size, but PME has made it very easy. I've seen a few of these on AliExpress, but I am so scared to make a mistake of buying something that isn't working. That's why I had to close my eye and get this from Amazon and get it shipped to Nigeria. I use a shipping company called SGK. They have a warehouse in Nigeria and somewhere in Saboyaba. If you are watching this from Nigeria, you should know where I'm talking about. But enough of the chit-chatting. Let's unbox this baby over here. Okay, it has a seal. Okay, and it has a manual. This is it says manual. With this, you know how to operate it. So let's figure this out. Okay, A says, before we look at what we have here, attach this. B says add the color, press this button, then start working with it. So since it's a rechargeable device, it has what you can use to recharge it. You can also plug this to your normal iPhone charger or your normal charger. The red light simply means it's charging. The blue light simply means that the device is full. But so we're going to try this out now, and it has a whole lot of instruction and the kind of colors you can actually buy from PME. Mind you, you can use any other product. Just ensure that it's airbrush color, airbrushing color. I don't know. So this is what this baby looks like. First of all, there's this tiny thing. Before I forget it, it looks like a spanner. So I don't know what it's used for. Maybe later in the future I would find out. But I just want to get this out of the way. And it has a device that looks like what you can use to pull in fluid and put in somewhere. So this is it. It has measurement on it. I don't know if you can see this. Then this is the USB cord in the picture I showed you earlier. It's quite different from the normal USB, you know. Then the gun, I call it gun, the airbrushing gun. Then the compressor. This is the portable compressor. It's quite fancy, classy looking. It's gold in color. Is this rose gold? It looks rose gold, it looks gold, but it's so fancy in color. Look at the size, very small and easy to work with. So the first step is to attach this. Okay, finding it. Okay. So this is what it should look like. Then it says you should turn on this part. Can you hear the vibrating sound? So it vibrates. I can feel the air. I don't know if you can feel the air. Can you feel it? Can, can you feel it? Just joking. So this lever over here controls the amount of color that comes out from here. This place over here is where you pour in the color of your choice. Then you work with this, and this controls how intense or how little the color would come out. So very easy to use. Let me just turn it off. This is where you charge it. When I take this USB cord, if I take this USB cord and connect it to this place, you get to see a green light. But when you connect this to your charger, it shows red. Red simply means this is not yet full. But when it's full, this light over here turns into blue. So that's just my unboxing stroke review of this product. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to decorate a cake with this device over here, and I'll do just that for you. And also tell me how you find this video, if it's very helpful. For the price, I got it for $130 on Amazon. So depending on the currency you are buying with, me, I bought in Naira, then they will take the dollar equivalent, and I shipped it to a warehouse in Texas called SGK, and they will ship it down to Nigeria for me. So that was how I was able to get it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share, check out my other videos, check out more videos. You can check out my video over here. I have wonderful and amazing tutorial on this channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I have another review coming up, so stay tuned to my channel. Bye bye for now.